The Kuala Lumpur Deer Park is a part of the Lake Gardens of Kuala Lumpur. This 2-hectare park is the home of many types of deer. The deer park is located close to the world's largest free flight aviary, the Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. Now we are entering from Taman Botanical Garden to the deer park. If you are coming from the bird park, then take a left turn and move towards the Tun Abdul Razak Memorial. The deer park is in between the memorial and the Orchid Garden. The deer park can also be accessible by walking down the steps behind the memorial of Tun Abdul Razak. The entrance of the deer park is attractive, which immediately makes you feel welcome. The fact that the entrance fee is nil, there is not any reason for you not to come here. The paths in the park are excellently built and thought out with the visitors' convenience in mind. The viewing points and the placement of fences are great, as visitors get the best views of the deer in the park. Lush greenery surrounds inside and outside of the park, making it bearable for visitors to walk around the park even under the sun. There are several types of deer which visitors can view. The main attractions of the park would be the mouse deer. The mouse deer is the smallest hoofed animal in the world and is a renowned creature in the Indonesian and Malaysian folklore. Other species of deer at the park include the fallow deer from Holland, the axis deer, and the sambar deer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Consider subscribing for more.